Hi students! Let's go over how to browse available courses in your student portal. It's simple. Before we get started, let's talk about the difference between these two pages. All Courses page is where you'll find all the courses available for you to enroll in. Perfect if you're looking to add something new. On the other hand, My Courses page is where you can check out the courses you're currently enrolled in. Got it? Now let's dive in. First, head to the navigation menu and click on All Courses. Next, browse the course cards, which display each course with an image, a brief description, and key details like the subject, class type, and price. To narrow down the list, you can use the search function or apply filters by price, course type, or subject. Free courses are a great way to try things out without any cost. Taster courses offer a more in-depth preview for a fee, allowing you to explore further before committing to the full course. Finally, regular courses offer full structured learning for long-term progress. Keep in mind that not all schools may offer every option, so availability can vary. Next, course types help you find the best fit for your learning style. Self-paced courses offer flexibility, allowing students to progress at their own speed. Online courses are great for remote learning and can be tailored for individuals or groups. Language courses are a common example. For those who benefit from direct interaction, in-person courses provide hands-on learning, whether one-on-one or in group settings. Think of a pottery class or singing course. You also have the option to toggle between grid view and list view. If you prefer to see courses in alphabetical order, that option is available too for easier browsing. To see more details about a course, simply click on the course image or title. This will take you to a detailed page with a comprehensive overview, including the curriculum and other important information. On the course's detailed page, you can explore further by enrolling in the course or previewing contents. To enroll, you'll either see an Enroll Now or Interested button. If you want to return to the course list to review more options, just click the All Courses button. And that's it! Viewing course details is quick and easy. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.